Today I'm going to transform my long elder locks into a short bob look with no cutting involved. It's a protective style, but I mainly do it for the look and for a little break from my length. My sis popped up with this short bob on her locks last year and I was instantly obsessed. So let's do it. Welcome to the channel. If you're new around here, I'm Latoya. This lovely lady doing my locks is my sister Patricia. She is a magical loctician and braider. I'll link to her page in the description. It's not too difficult to achieve this bob look I'm going for today. I'm going to show you from different angles if you want to see how to replicate it. And now we are watching the new season of Love is Blind US while doing this. So all the animations you see, the confused faces, are related to us really trying to understand what happened this season and why they do Edmund like that, because that wasn't right. My sis uses 2-strand twist for this style. She says it just falls better. She twists all the way to the end of the locks. We decided on the length of my bob, and from there she twists the hair up and around. It's secured with an elastic band. Pretty simple, but so beautiful. For products, we're using my trusty spray bottle, and I applied some Shea Moisture leave-in before we started and coconut oil. I'm not using mousse or anything else. My sis was originally going to do each twist smaller, but I asked her to go bigger. I like when the locks are chunkier in this style. Next time though, I'm gonna go really small and see what that's like. I love the length of my locks. It's a physical representation of my growth in patience and self-love, but having a break from them on my shoulders and back is glorious. These are good problems to have, but my locks get stuck in my jacket, sweater, and even purse. And with the cold weather upon us here in Toronto, I'm happy for the break. Also, I just want to change. If you've seen my journey, you know I don't style my locks a lot. I love a good twist out, but I don't fuss with my hair, especially when I'm busy. A main benefit of having locks is the low maintenance, and I really lean into that. If you follow me on IG, you probably will see some styles, and if you're not following me, let's connect. We're done. What do you think? What is your favorite protective style? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace. Oh, I love